Hi friends, today I'm in Boone Park in the neighborhood of Avondale, located in the city of Jacksonville. It's 1 city block wide by 8 city blocks long. At the south end it borders St. John's Avenue, and at the north end it borders Park Street. So I'm going to do a pan around here so you could see what the southern end of the park looks like. It's a very wooded park, the full 8 city blocks. The far southern end on St. John's Avenue, there is a children's playground. So let's go take a look at that. So here's the playground. I'd say it's a pretty popular park, a pretty popular playground. There's always kids playing here with their parents. Great place to come with your kids. There's a paved sidewalk here that runs the perimeter of the southern end of the park. So let's take a walk through the park and check it out. There's a plaque over here, let's go check that out. Boone Park, given to the city of Jacksonville by William E. Boone for all to enjoy, January 21st, 1926. Wow. Oh, I just started my walk through the park, and let me tell you, the mosquitoes here are rampant. Make sure you bring your bug spray. As you can see, it's a very shaded park, so it's great to come here even in the summer. We put trash cans throughout the park, that's good. Thinking about litter control. Also throughout the park, there are benches and picnic tables, so you can hang out, have a picnic. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon on a Friday, so it's pretty quiet right now. It definitely picks up on the weekends. There's lots of people jogging and walking, and parents with their children at the playground. Looks like they're planting some new trees in here, which is kind of interesting. Not sure what that's all about. I guess to keep the park wooded. The park is located right in the heart of Avondale, so it's surrounded by homes at the border. There's a sign over here, let's check out what that says. It's probably park rules. For your family enjoyment, please park in designated areas only, no glass containers, soliciting with permit only, camping, bathing is prohibited, no profanity. That's an interesting one. No alcoholic beverages without permit. Amplified sound is regulated, so no boom boxes or anything like that. No Bluetooth speakers playing loud. If you have any questions, you can call the Department of Parks, Recreation, and Entertainment, 630-3500. Got a little additional placard here. Home tweet home. Eastern bluebirds compete for habitats with non-native house sparrows and eastern starlings. Nest boxes like this have contributed to the bluebird's conservation success story. This box was donated by Jacksonville Credit Union and is actively monitored by Friends of Boone Park South under the direction of the Florida Bluebird Society. If you're interested in installing nesting boxes in your yard, visit floridabluebirdsociety.org. Warning, do not disturb. This nest box is checked weekly by trained monitor and data is entered into national database. These boxes are protected by state and federal laws. Interesting little information there. And there is the bird box they're talking about, also known as a birdhouse. So I'm not going to disturb it, but I will come over here and check it out. You can see they put a shield here to help keep squirrels out of it. I'm assuming that's what that's for. There you go. Here's the bluebird nesting box. The park is lit, as you can see. I don't necessarily recommend walking the park at night for safety's sake, but it is lit. Just notice there's a little sapling here. Looks like all of the open areas of the park they're trying to turn back into wooded area. Trees naturally die off with time, and it looks like they're trying to replace them as needed. That is Herschel Street. It runs parallel between St. John's Avenue and Park Street. It's a main road that runs in between them, basically, between all the neighborhood streets. You probably can't see it, but on the other side of Herschel there is the continuation of Boone Park, and I don't believe there's a paved walking trail over there. It's just open field, wooded area. But we'll go check that out next. I just ran into this pet waste station here. So that's good. Pick up after your pet, people. Looks like there's a footbridge here that connects to one of the neighborhood streets here in Avondale. There's no parking for the public, it's just for residents to make their way from their neighborhood to the park. Oh, it looks like there is a paved trail here. Huh, I didn't realize this was here. Continue north, I guess it's north or northwest through the park here, using the paved trail. It's a little hard to walk on the sand. And the tennis courts. There's a row of beautiful crepe myrtle trees here. Look like they've been here a while. Not blooming though, so we're at the far north end of Boone Park. That's Park Street there. It's a very busy street. There's a parking lot here. Let's take a look at that real quick. So if you want to park at the north end of Boone Park, make sure you take Park Street. You can park up here. There's a pavilion here with some picnic tables, trash cans. Here are the tennis courts to the right. There are a lot of tennis courts here. It looks like there's, 2, 4, 6, 8 maybe? Boone Park has you covered if you want to play tennis. There's also a playground over here. Some monkey bars, and swings. There's some slides over here. Lots of benches for the parents to sit on. We're heading back now the way we just came, where I pointed out that row of crepe myrtle trees. Ooh, I think it's time for some water. I don't know what the temperature is today, but it feels pretty humid to me. I don't know if you can see the sweat dripping down my forehead, but I came prepared. I brought water. Yep, that's where it's at. Let's see where this path takes us. Heading back to where we began. There's an old structure here of some sort. Let's go check that out. It's pretty neat to see that in the park. I wasn't expecting that. It's right near the pavilion, if you're wondering where the location of it is. It's also right next to some more tennis courts. There's 2 more courts over here. The courts seem to be pretty popular. Several people playing today. There's also some picnic tables over here. Looks like there's a plaque over here. Let's see what this says. Boone Park Public Welcome. Okay, looks like an original sign, but it doesn't tell us much. Just noticed there's some charcoal grills over here to the side of this building. Looks like we have a choice. There's the pavilion. This just goes out to the street, so we'll continue this way. Down the trail. There's some kids playing in the creek over there that we walked by earlier. It's through the trees there. That's Herschel. It's hard to see it. Looks like the path continues around to connect to this neighborhood street. I don't know what road it is. Well, let's go check it out. I feel like I'm losing my mind. There's a building over there, I assume a house, and I don't know if you can see it. I can't zoom in any closer, but I think there's a goat over there. What the heck? Well, that's interesting. Not something you expect to see in the city. creek. I don't know if it's the same creek or not. It's smaller over here. Looks like there's some parking here. If you want to park over here. This is at the corner of, let's see, I can't read it. The corner of Boone Park Avenue and Van Wert Avenue. There you go. There's a sign here that says there is a leash law in place if you're going to enter the park with a dog. Make sure it's on a leash. We're back out onto Herschel. This is one of the main roads that runs through the center of Boone Park. It's the southern half of Boone Park right there. Alright, we're back in the southern half of Boone Park now. On the Lumpy Trail, gotta be careful of. Alright, we're going to head back this way now. We haven't been this way yet. Heading back to the car. Avondale's full of beautiful old homes, so if you like architecture and you like old homes, go check out Avondale sometime. Alright, so we're back where we started off in Boone Park. I hope you enjoyed the little tour. It's a beautiful little oasis in the city. If you want to come check it out, relax, it's a great place to come do that. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.